is our Community Assistance In-Kind Support application form. This form has been developed for organisations who are seeking only in-kind support for their event or activity. Some of the things these include are providing bins for your event or the use of council resources like witches' hats or bollards. If you are seeking cash support though through the Community Assistance grants, you will need to fill out the relevant form, which is located on our website. This 2-page document is very easy to complete. Council asks that you fill out this form, giving us a summary of your event and how you believe it will benefit the Burdekin Shire. The second part of this form relates to the in-kind support Council can provide to your organisation to enhance the delivery of your event or your project. Of course, while Council aims to provide assistance wherever possible, the provision of these in-kind items is subject to availability. Please ensure you complete the eligibility checklist and attach a copy of your public liability when submitting your form within the round dates. If you have any questions regarding the new form, please contact a member of the Community Development Team on 4783 9800. Thank you.